We are surrounded by nature. It is around us on all sides, always present, always with us. Different for each person, but very much the same. This is about what nature means to me. My entire life has been surrounded and enriched by nature. I was fascinated and intrigued by all the things that there were to do outside. Things like climb trees while my parents were trying to get family photos. Nature wasn't always the greatest friend, though. Some days, I ended up looking like this. Most days were pretty amazing, though. I had lots of fun. One of my favorite places to go was Gunpowder River Trails in Maryland. I loved being surrounded by all the trees. I loved the natural rock walls that lined all the paths. Most of all, though, I loved the river. Climbing out on the smaller rocks to get to the big rocks in the river was like a favorite pastime. I used to sit on the rocks for hours, just relaxing and thinking. Gunpowder was something that I wanted to share with everyone. I wanted everyone to see the beauty of the rocks and the trees and the river. So that's what I did. I brought anyone who would come with me, like my cousin Aubrey. And even my boyfriend, Josh. On one trip, me and Josh tried to befriend every single frog that we came across. Gunpowder wasn't the only peaceful place I wanted to share, though. I found the beauty of nature to share almost everywhere I went. From the beautiful and extravagant Central Park in New York City to the woodsy backyard of the little boy I watched in Baltimore. Even the trees in my own backyard provided me something that I wanted to share with everyone. Nature is everywhere I look, near and far, high and low. Nature is something that runs through all of us, uniting us and bringing us peace, the same way a stream brings life to the creatures around it. And that is what nature means to me.